Hi friends, welcome to Sir Control LDC classes. Here we are going to see the some objective one linear question of commercial departments for the LDC promotional exam quota. Okay, let us start the class. Minimum fare for ordinary second class suburban is rupees 5. Minimum fare for mail bar express second class is rupees 30. Sleeper class is rupees 120. ACC is rupees 205. UTS ticket will be issued 3 days in advance for more than 200 kilometers. All concession tickets and season tickets are issued through UTS. Season tickets can be renewed 10 days in advance. A male is prohibited to enter in ladies compartment under section 162 162 of Railway Act 1989. Reservation can be made 120 days in advance. IMS station can make reservation 121 days in advance. Platform ticket is rupees 10. Platform ticket is valid for 2 hours. Passengers are not permitted to enter the train with platform tickets. Season tickets are issued for maximum distance of 150 kilometers. Student season tickets are issued for maximum distance of 80 kilometers. Privilege pass and PTOs are valid for 5 months. First class privilege pass holders are permitted to take one attendant in second class. Penalty for ticketless passenger is rupees 250 with fare. Minimum penalty for not booked luggage is rupees 50. Senior citizen male of 60 years and above will get 40% concession, and women of 58 years and above will get 50% concession. Senior citizen availing concession should carry age proof. Auto upgradation done only for confirmed passenger in general and Tatkal quota. Upgrading reserve class ticket may be done in one or two classes above. E-ticket or I-ticket passenger should carry original ID proof. Dropped waitlisted e-ticket, I-ticket need not apply for refund. It will be done automatically. Break journey is permitted on tickets above 500 kilometers. First break journey is permitted after traveling 500 kilometers. Break journey is permitted up to 1000 kilometers is 1 and above 1000 kilometers is 2. Break journey you can stay for a maximum of 2 days excluding the date of arrival and date of departure. Postponement and advance of journey can be applied at least 48 hours before the journey. Change of boarding point and name change can be applied 24 hours before the journey. Name change is permitted among the family members only. JTBS will collect rupees 1 extra per passenger as service charges. JTBS issue platform tickets and renew season tickets. Smoking is prohibited in railway premises and punishable of rupees 200. Pulling alarm chain without valid reason is punishable with imprisonment up to 1 year or fine rupees 1000 or both. Trespasses will be punished with imprisonment of up to 6 months or fine rupees 100 or both. Earmarked lower berth reservation quota for senior citizen and women is 4 per coach. Untravelled unreserved ticket can be cancelled within 3 hours with rupees 30 per and rupees 60 for sleeper classes collected as clerical charge. On the untravelled reservation tickets can be cancelled more than 48 hours in advance. Cancellation charges rupees 30 for second class, rupees 60 for sleeper class. A portable TV, laptop, personal computer and children tricycle are permitted to carry in personal within free allowances. Free allowances not applicable for desktop and tabletop computers. Luggage free allowance for second class is 35 kg, sleeper class is 40 kg, first class AC2 tier is 50 kg and AC3 tier is 50 kg. Luggage free allowances for second class privilege pass holder is 50 kg, first class pass holder is 70 kg. Pet dog carried along with passenger are charged for 60 kg and in brake van for 30 kg. The compensation for death or disability 4 lakh. The ex gratia for the dependent of the deceased rupees 50,000. Grievously injured rupees 25,000. Simply injury rupees 5,000 applicable for train accident and LC gate accident. For untowards incident ex gratia deceased rupees 15,000, grievously injured rupees 5,000, and simply injured rupees 500. Personal cash for TE CC is rupees 750, TT is rupees 2,000. Penalty for unsigned second class pass is rupees 10. EFT book are issued by TTE, TE, SM, CC. The timing of booking office and reservation office should be displayed in front of the counter. Here friends, we will see some objective questions of commercial department which is necessary and essential for our LDC exam. Okay, thank you.